Welcome to this accelerated masterclass on Google Analytics 4. Today, we are condensing everything you need to know into just 10 minutes. We'll move fast, covering implementation, CMS integration, reporting, and campaign tracking. Let's dive right into the fundamentals. Google Analytics 4 is an analytics service that lets you measure traffic and engagement across your websites and apps. It's the new standard for data. It works through a small piece of JavaScript measurement code added to every page. This code acts as a beacon for user data. This beacon tracks interactions like clicks and scrolls, along with technical details like browser type, language, and device operating system. It also identifies how visitors found you, whether through search engines, online ads, or social media campaigns. All collected data is aggregated and stored in a database. Once processed, this data cannot be modified, so accuracy is key. The system relies on cookies to gather visitor information. If a user disables cookies, their specific data won't be collected. To start, you need an analytics account. Note that this is separate from your standard Google or Gmail account. Navigate to the Google Analytics homepage and click Sign Up to begin the one-time registration process. Name your account. Use your business name or the website name if you only plan to track one property. Select your industry and reporting time zone. These settings ensure your data is relevant and accurate to your location. Review the data sharing options and terms of service. Agree to the terms and click I accept to proceed. You'll then receive your unique tracking ID. This is the link between your website and your analytics profile. For custom sites, paste the global site tag between the head tags of every page on your website. To verify, right-click any page, select View Page Source, and search for your tag to ensure it's active. WordPress users can use plugins like Google Analytics Dashboard for WP for a seamless automated setup. Go to your dashboard, click Add New under Plugins, and search for the Dashboard plugin to install and activate it. Authorize the plugin by logging into your Google account and pasting the provided access code into the settings. Click Save. The plugin will now automatically apply the tracking code across your entire WordPress site. On platforms like Wix or Squarespace, simply paste your tracking ID into the built-in analytics section of the platform. Shopify and Weebly users paste the global site tag into the admin settings to enable store-wide tracking. You can track multiple websites by creating separate properties under the admin tab of your main account. It takes about 3 days for data to start populating your reports, so patience is key after setup. Now, let's dive into the reporting interface, the core of GA4's powerful data analysis tools. Navigate to Reports in the left-hand menu to see your dashboard and start exploring your traffic. Built-in lifecycle reports cover how users arrive, how they engage, and how they convert into customers. The user section breaks down demographics and technology, showing you who your visitors are and how they browse. For custom deep dives, use Explorations. This feature lets you build tailored views of your specific datasets. Start with a blank canvas or use templates like funnel analysis or path analysis to see exactly where users drop off in a process. Drag and drop dimensions and metrics to build your report. Dimensions define the what, and metrics measure the how much. In the customization section, you can create and save reports tailored to your unique business goals. Name your report and choose between an Explorer view, a flat table, or even a map overlay for global data. Apply filters to isolate data for specific regions or devices, giving you precise control over your insights. Integrate GA4 with Google Data Studio for more advanced interactive dashboards and sophisticated visualizations. You can easily share your reports with stakeholders or team members directly from the GA4 interface. Set up scheduled email deliveries to ensure everyone receives regular data updates automatically. Standard reports are also customizable. Use the pencil icon to add dimensions and metrics to your default views. Change visualization types between bars, lines, and tables to best represent the data you are analyzing. Use segments in Explorations to compare behaviors between groups, like new visitors versus your loyal returning audience. Path analysis reveals the literal journey users take through your site, helping you optimize every step of their experience. To track specific marketing campaigns, we use UTM Parameters. These are tags added to the end of your URLs. UTMs identify exactly where traffic comes from and which specific campaign or medium drove the visit. Source names the platform, while medium identifies the type of traffic like CPC or organic social. Campaign tags your marketing push, and term identifies the specific keywords used in your paid search ads. Finally, content helps differentiate between variations, like two different banners in the same email campaign. Use the Google Analytics URL Builder to create these tagged links accurately and ensure they track correctly in GA4. Once live, these parameters allow you to prove the ROI of every campaign by seeing exactly what drives conversions. Let's finish by comparing Google Search Console and Google Analytics. They are different but powerful together. Search Console focuses exclusively on organic search, how your site performs directly in Google search results. Analytics tracks all traffic types and provides deep insights into what users do after they land on your site. GSC gives you data on queries, clicks, impressions, and your average rank in the Google Search Index. GA provides demographics, interest, and detailed behavior metrics across all your acquisition channels. Search Console also handles technical tasks like sitemap submissions and identifying index coverage errors. GA's advantage is its real-time tracking, showing current site activity and sophisticated conversion data. Remember the source. GA uses JavaScript tags on site, while GSC pulls data directly from Google's internal search index. By integrating both, you get search query data right inside your analytics dashboard for a holistic view of performance. Pro tip: GA4 is entirely event-based. Every action is an event, allowing for incredibly granular tracking of user behavior. Utilize predictive metrics. GA4 can estimate the probability of a user purchasing or churning based on their activity. Set up custom dimensions to track business-specific data points like loyalty status or content category engagement. For e-commerce, the monetization report tracks revenue and user value, giving you a clear view of your bottom line. Use retention reports to see how well you're keeping users over time. High retention is a hallmark of great content. Check tech reports to see a mobile versus desktop split. This data should drive your site's design and optimization. Optimize your sales funnels by identifying exactly where users drop off using the funnel analysis in explorations. We've covered the technical fundamentals and how to get your account properly implemented for success. We walked through the setup for custom sites and popular platforms like WordPress, Wix, and Shopify. We explored the powerful reporting interface and learned how to build custom reports in explorations. We mastered campaign tracking with UTMs and saw how Search Console data completes your analytics picture. You now have the foundation to master your data and drive real results. The journey starts with your first report. What's your first goal with GA4? Share your thoughts and let's keep the data conversation going. Don't just watch, practice. Log into your dashboard today and build your first exploration report. Stay connected for more deep dives into the digital marketing tools that shape the modern web. Remember, information is only useful when it's actionable. Use GA4 to turn your data into action. Thank you for watching. I'm Orbi, your AI agent, here to help you create and learn. Happy analyzing. Master your data, master your future. We'll see you in the next masterclass. Goodbye. Welcome to Chapter 11. Today, we are mastering keyword research, the foundation of every successful SEO and digital marketing strategy. At its core, it's about identifying the specific words your audience uses to find products or services just like yours. But why is choosing the right keyword so critical? It's not just about traffic, it's about the right traffic. Relevance ensures you attract visitors genuinely interested in what you offer, improving your overall conversion potential. Traffic potential helps you focus on terms with enough search volume to actually move the needle for your business. Keywords aren't all the same. They generally fall into two main categories: short tail and long tail. Short tail keywords are broad, 1 or 2 words long, and have high search volume, but they are incredibly competitive. Long tail keywords are more specific phrases. They have lower volume but often boast much higher conversion rates. Beyond length, we must consider searcher intent, the why behind the search. Transactional keywords like buy iPhone 12 indicate a user is ready to make a purchase right now. Informational keywords are for those seeking answers, often starting with how to or what is. So, how do you find these gems? Tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Google Keyword Planner are your best friends here. Start by defining your goals, researching your audience's behavior, and generating seed keywords relevant to your niche. Don't forget to analyze your competitors to see what's working for them and where they might be missing opportunities. As you optimize, keep these three key terms in mind: density, proximity, and prominence. Keyword density is the frequency of a term. Today, search engines prioritize natural integration over strict percentages. Proximity is how close keywords are to each other, and prominence is where they appear, like in your titles and headings. But be careful of keyword cannibalization. This happens when your own pages compete against each other for the same terms. This erodes your rankings and confuses search engines. Use tools like Google Search Console to spot and fix these overlaps. The solution? Consolidate similar content or use redirects to strengthen your most important pages. Keyword research is a blend of data and understanding your audience. Master it and you master the search results. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Chapter 12. Today, we are diving deep into the foundation of any successful digital strategy: content creation. In this lesson, we'll explore how content drives SEO success. Content isn't just words on a page. It's the pivotal factor that determines your website's visibility. It's how search engines understand your value and relevance in a crowded digital landscape. We have a lot to cover. We'll start with the role of content in SEO, move into audience research and strategic planning, and then look at content clusters and advanced tools like Google Web Stories. Hi everyone. Content creation is multifaceted, crucially impacting visibility and relevance. It serves as a foundation for organic traffic and niche authority. Let's look at the 5 central roles of content. Content optimizes for keywords, engages users to improve metrics like dwell time, builds authority through backlinks, signals relevance through regular updates, and caters to preferences via diverse formats like video and infographics. Relevance and keyword optimization are where it starts. By strategically placing target phrases in your titles, headers, and body text, you signal to search engines exactly what your content is about. But search engines look for more than just keywords. High-quality content engages users, encouraging them to stay longer. These signals, like high dwell time and low bounce rates, are strong indicators of quality. To create truly resonant content, you must research and identify audience needs. This is crucial for satisfying both the search engine and the human reader. It begins with understanding search intent. Are users looking for info, trying to buy something, seeking a specific site, or looking for local services? Tailoring your content to match this intent ensures it perfectly aligns with what users are actually seeking. You should also analyze demographics and psychographics. Use tools like Google Analytics to gather data on age, interests, and behaviors to create accurate audience personas that guide your creation process. A well-thought-out content plan is your roadmap. It defines your goals, like lead gen or brand awareness, identifies your target audience, and sets measurable metrics to track your progress effectively. One of the most effective planning techniques is the content cluster strategy. This involves organizing your content into interconnected clusters focused on a single central pillar topic. By linking related articles back to that central pillar, you enhance SEO, improve user navigation, and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. It's a win-win for users and algorithms. Integrity also matters. Always avoid plagiarism by citing sources properly. Finally, embrace new formats like Google Web Stories for immersive, fast-loading visual storytelling that captures mobile attention. We've covered a lot today, from the core roles of SEO content to the specifics of cluster strategies. Apply these steps to build your authority. In the next lesson, we dive into technical SEO. See you there.